right now we're at Minoo Station and we're going to go on a hike there to see the koyo and the monkeys. So there are only sometimes monkeys, so when there are a lot of people there are no monkeys out, but when they are little people there are monkeys. So let's hope there will be little people so we can see the monkeys. And when I was small I went there once and there were a lot of monkeys and I hope to see them again.
Let me tell you something. I took my bear bag and my books so I can do many stuff, and it also looks like a tree mountain.
Yeah, it looks like a ginormous tree. Look, we got some chestnuts from the shop to try and they're so good.
Oh, I don't like this. They are
Really nice garden. I just bought some momiji tempura and one is 50 and so I just bought 2. I'm going to try it. Looks good. Wow, they're real leaves. I had no idea. It's good. It's very crunchy, but I'll get to the leaf part now. I'm nervous because I never ate a leaf. Yeah?
Yeah, it's a real leaf tempura.
Wow, so good. I don't know.
what?
Mai
Real
si tincaria o leaf momiji tempura.
It's a real leaf?
Yeah, it's sign there is a real leaf.
I love the smell. I stumbled.
It's bird smell, Leia.
Let's go.
But other side, he falls down.
Okay, Alex, what you're buying?
And we got another chestnut.
Okay.
If you want to see a monkey, you need to climb a tree. I'm good at climbing.
No, you don't have to. I found something like this, but it's ripped out, but it's really beautiful.
And I found this.
Really strange shape and nice. What? My mom is giving us different tests to find green, completely green momiji or completely red momiji. And now we're trying to find a plant with some flowers growing, but it's so hard because there's only leaves everywhere.
I found here.
No, that's not a flower, it's a leaf. Yeah, it was raining a lot this morning.
What you found, guys?
We found a flower finally.
Where?
We found like these small flowers. They're quite cute. Yeah. Here, we finally found. We completed our
Look.
third task.
We found this, not the flower. I'm just joking. We need to find a rock. Alright.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked all the autumn leaves. Bye.